If you're over 60, there's one thing many people do every morning, and they don't realize it slowly takes strength away.
Today, I want to help you stop it gently, safely, and starting tomorrow. Mornings feel different after 60. Your body needs more time, more care, more understanding, and yet many seniors unknowingly rush into the day the same way they did at 40. This isn't about blame. It's about awareness, because small morning choices affect balance, energy, and confidence later in the day. Stay with me, because near the end, I'll share the one adjustment most seniors say changed how they feel. By lunchtime, let's talk about the habit. Many people over 60 stand up and start moving immediately after waking. No pause, no preparation, no gentle wake-up for the body. Your joints are stiff, your circulation is slower, your nervous system is still booting up. When you rush, your body doesn't fail loudly. It whispers. Slight dizziness, heavy legs, feeling off before noon. After 60, your body regulates blood pressure and balance more slowly. That's normal aging. But when you rush the morning, muscles stay tight, blood flow lags, balance feels uncertain. Over time, this can affect confidence while walking, energy in the afternoon, willingness to move at all. And that's the quiet part nobody explains. Many seniors think, I'm just getting older. But often, it's not age, it's timing. Your body wants a transition, from rest to movement to strength. When you skip that transition every day, the body adapts by doing less movement, less confidence. Here's the change. Before you fully stand up in the morning, sit at the edge of the bed for 30 to 60 seconds. Place your feet flat on the floor. Take 2 slow breaths. That's it. This short pause allows blood pressure to adjust, muscles to wake gently, balance to stabilize. Many seniors say this one pause makes them feel steadier all day. Aging doesn't mean rushing less. It means moving smarter. You're not fragile. You're experienced. Your body still responds beautifully. When you listen to it, strength after 60 isn't about doing more. It's about doing things in the right order. Over weeks, this small habit can help improve confidence when walking, reduce that heavy leg feeling, make mornings calmer, not stressful, and calmer mornings create better days. Tomorrow morning, remember this video. Sit, breathe, then move. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. And subscribe. We make videos like this for people over 60 every week.